Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics, and on today's episode of Squad Busters, I'm going to show you where you can find your QR code for your Squad Busters ID. So let's get started. So once you're in your game, just go to your friends page. It should be located at the bottom of your screen. Now on the left side of this page, you can see your name, your player ID, and you can also see a button which says Show QR. So just tap on it to reveal your QR code. You can share this QR to other people so they can add you as a friend. But there is no official way to share it yet. So you will have to screenshot it and send it to your friends, or let them scan this QR directly from their device. So that's it for today's video, and if you have any question or run into any trouble, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you guys. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.